Hey guys, it's me, Steph, and I am going to be doing a technically not unboxing. Well, I guess you could say unboxing. I already opened it because I got it on Christmas, but I really did want to share what I got in my surprise Morphe mystery box, which is a 9-piece face and eye collection box. So the price of it is $50 and it's about $101 value. So this is the box it comes in. And a quick story about that was it was the weekend before Christmas. I had gone to the Morphe store to pick up the 10M Midnight Gleaming palette, which I will do a separate video for that so I can go over like the different colors and all that. But basically, me and my best friend went into the Morphe store, and she basically told me that I can either choose two things, one of two things as a Christmas gift. I could either pick up that palette, which clearly I already picked up myself a few days later, or I can get the Morphe box. Now, the thing is, it was hit or miss because I have a pretty big Morphe collection that I started to make because I was kind of worried that, no offense, I don't really care for the James Charles palette, and especially since the Morphe Pride palette came back, I really didn't want the James Charles palette, and I didn't know if I would just get a repeat of like palettes I already have from Morphe. I should actually really do a Morphe palette thing of like all my palettes, because that would be really fun. Yeah, so I picked this, and I did already open it. If I do open it, this is kind of like the stuff they put in there so your stuff doesn't get a mess, or not mess, your stuff doesn't get ruined in transit. But funny story is, I decided to pick the box. And when we were there, the Morphe store associate was saying how, because I was saying I didn't know which box to pick. It was a matter of like, oh, I hope I pick the good one. And she says, I can definitely tell you that the weight of the heaviest box is a really good box. Now, I wouldn't think to hold them, so we started to hold them and really feel the difference between them. And she was like, yes, for sure, this is the heaviest box, and I can honestly, like, I won't tell you what's in it. I could just tell you it's a really good box. So we ended up basically trusting the lady who said to get it. So I will show you what I got. So again, it is $50 for the box, and then the value is $101. So I will probably insert the photo of what I took with the box and then slowly go over the different things. But I did get... Now... What do you think it is? Okay. Palette, what do you think it is? Morphe or
Dude,
James Charles?
I'm gonna laugh if it's James Charles. I'm gonna bet that it's a palette you don't have. But that's very strong.
Yeah, that's 10 palettes.
That's saying a lot. So.
Okay.
Oh,
I don't have this one. Maybe I have one of these.
You got the whole fucking collection.
Nice.
Of this? Okay, let me just show you. So first of all, for my eye shadows, I got Jacilyn Hill's eyeshadow collection. So all 4 of the palettes. I did already own this one, which is the, well, that doesn't help me. Shoot. I forgot the, oh, there you go. Dark Magic, sorry. I do have the Dark Magic, which... Excuse my pan because it's probably going to be really dirty, but it's this one with these colors right here, which is Poof, Power Cut, Trickery, Diversion, Potion, Busted, Inside Job, Mojo, and Temptress. And then, let's see. These ones I can probably open. I'm sorry if it's going to be loud. But this other palette is called the Bling Boss. And it's these colors right here, which are really pretty. I hope Oh god, my autofocus is gonna suck and I'm so sorry. But it's Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, Mystic, Spark, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Berry Treasure. The next palette is called Armed and Gorgeous. I should have pre-opened them, but it's okay. So this one is these colors right here. So you have VIP, Access, Guilt Trip, Coin, Agent, Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and Classified. Now, one of the freaking colors I was super excited for is this one right here called Coin. I actually have a Morphe eyeliner pencil in the color Coin, and I really just use that for like my under eye or like my waterline because I really, really like the goldness to my eyes. I feel like it makes my eyes pop. I don't have any makeup on right now. This might be some leftover mascara. I do have contacts in. I don't think you can even tell unless they just make my eyes darker. But it is a dark brown with like white specks in it. Okay, so this is the last eyeshadow palette in here, which is called Ring the Alarm. So here are the colors for that, which is Lolly, Rush, On Camera, Boom, Alert, Bomb Ass, Siren, Mugshot, Framed, and Secret. Now, the Jacilyn Collection eyeshadow palette, in total, the value is about $60. Each one of these are 15 bucks. I actually went to make sure and saw them at the Morphe store, but they do retail at $15 each. So that's 60 bucks right there. The second thing I got in my palette is Morphe Eyelashes. And they are in the name Seductress. Now, I am really bad at putting on eyelashes. Maybe one day I'll put these on. I'm not sure. I just feel like they'd really give my eyes some pizzazz. Okay. So next thing we have is the Super Matte lipstick by Morphe in the color Lover. Maybe I could do this. And this one retails at $9. So, let's just show you it here. It's a super matte red. I could try swatching it. I don't know how that will be, but let's go see. So, I will. It's pretty red. I won't put this on my lips right now because I feel like it'd be too crazy. But I was super excited about this because I've really been wanting a matte red lipstick. The second thing we have is the lip gloss in FROSE. So this right here is another Morphe lip gloss. And this one's actually very, very, very pretty. So this won't do it justice at all. But maybe you'll see like the little shimmers of pink. And it kind of has like a blue tone to it. I can put some on, but I honestly don't think it'd make any difference to my face. Let's see. I just bought this makeup. Or this mirror. Okay. So, it is definitely glittery. There's really not a scent to it. And so far, it does feel really nice. It's not very sticky at all, but it's definitely like a gloss. So, I'm really happy about this one. This is super cute. And then this value is at $8. And then we have the, now I already tried using this because again, I got this on Christmas. So this is the next item, which is the Morphe Blushing Babes Pop of Pink Blush Trio. So ignore the camera, but this is, oh God, yeah, that's a mess, sorry. Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirit. I doubt, yeah, we'll just, you could just see the colors on there, hopefully. It'll focus enough. Well, there you go. Because I could try doing swatches, but I doubt you'll, like, really even see it. We could try. I'm sorry for the noises. So this is Rule Breaker. Oh yeah, you can't see shit. Yeah, we'll do another swatch later, or hopefully just seeing that is like good enough for you. Okay. And that retails at $12 if I didn't already say that. The next thing is the Morphe Lip Crayon, which is a soft matte docs in the color MCM, which I was trying to think if that's Man Crush Monday. And this color, so it looks like that. It's a lip crayon. And let me try to see. Kind of see it. And let's try to do a color swatch of it. Just right there. It looks very nude, so that's another nice thing. I've been trying to find a nude lip, but I'm really bad at trying to find them, because then sometimes it looks like I don't even have lips. So this lip crayon retails at $9. Now, the next things we have is the... I got 3 brushes. So the first brush I got is the R36 Pointed Highlight Brush. So you could take a look at that. And it is from the Rose Gold. The Rose Gold collection. I don't know if that does anything for you. But this is retailed at $9. And it's a flat, stiff, natural bristle brush with straight edge for... reading the wrong thing, sorry. Take that back. This is the R36 Pointed Highlight Brush. It values at $9. It's flared, tapered natural brush that sweeps highlight precisely where you want it. I'm really bad at reading, so bear with me. So yeah, this right here is $9. And then the next brush we have is the Morphe R8 Flat Contour Brush. And I did not open this yet, so I guess we could try. Oh God, yeah, that's not a good idea. Let's see how I can open this without ripping it. Excuse my crunchiness of ASMR. You know what? Nope, that didn't do shit for me. Here we go. I got a sharp utensil that I can use to poke this. Okay. So, this is the R8 Morphe brush. There you go. And this retails at $13. It's a flat, stiff, natural bristle brush with a straight edge for sharp, precise placement and a chiseled contour along the nose and cheekbones. I don't contour my face. I don't know where to go on my face, but I've seen people like do deep like cheekbones for here and like the nose stuff. But I mean, all around, this is $13 value, so that's pretty good. And then the, did I do the wrong one? Is this the R8? Oh, well, I just said the same brush again. Okay, so this is the R39 Tapered Blending Brush. This is the last brush in here. And it looks like that right here. I don't have the description for you. If you absolutely do need to hear it, I can try going on Morphe, but I think that will take a little long for me to do. Plus you can hear my mic, so that also doesn't help. This is the R39. R39. Found it. It's versatile blending brush with a pinched ferrule and tapered head. It can be used on its side or just the tip to apply shadow to the lid, blend color in the crease, or sweep out the outer third of the eye. So that is what I got right here. Right here. So far, oops, sorry. So far, in value, we have spent, let me get this calculator out. So the Jacilyn palette is $60. And then the Lover lipstick is $9. Premium lashes are $12. FROSE lip gloss, $8. Trio blush, $12. Man Crush Monday, what is it? Matte lipstick is $9. Highlight brush, $9. And the contour brush is $13. Plus, the price for this tapered blend brush is $7. So yeah, the value is $139, which is definitely a lot more bang for your buck when it came to the other things. Because what threw me off entirely were these. Because if you really want to be like super nitpicky on the items, especially in the other palettes, these brushes, even though they're brushes, they count individually. So if you do the count, even though this equals 1, because it's the Jacilyn Collection palette, it's actually 4. So technically you get 3 extra items if you want to be really like, oh, I only got a 9-piece. No, we got 3 more palettes, because technically if you got 1 Jacilyn Hill, then that would count. But because this is a collection, you get all 4, therefore makes it now a 12-piece box. So I was really, really happy with my box. I've actually been watching the videos of people doing mystery boxes, and I feel like I've only seen one other person get the Jacilyn Hill collection in theirs. So I think there's like some rarity to it. I know a lot of people don't like, or they're also very hesitant on getting mystery boxes. I'm really open to them, and I'm really excited to kind of see what I get. Honestly, I'm really happy with everything I got, especially like all the colors. So that was like an awesome gift. Thank you, Roseanne, for this. And yeah, that's all I got in my box. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you see more videos soon, because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes that I want to do reviews on. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and add me to notifications, and you can be the first ones to see my videos. Thank you. Bye.